In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can easily create profitable YouTube videos, and you can do this without being on camera, without having to talk, and even without a lot of time. So as always, what I'm going to do is I'll share with you some free resources, I'll share with you some paid resources that I use, and basically by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this method works, how to get all of this set up, and more importantly, how you can actually make money with this. Now on the screen, this is my blog. There's lots of articles and resources on here for growing a channel on YouTube. If you want to go ahead and check that out, I'll drop a link below for you. But first of all, let's jump onto YouTube and I'll show you how this method works, because realistically, if you've got 20 minutes a day, you can get this up and running. So here is example number one for you in this. And look, I'm going to share with you a number of different categories and niches. So this here is a channel called How To Digital, and basically what they're doing is they're uploading these how-to videos, and notice the times, they're all incredibly short, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. They're not very long at all, and the majority of the videos on this channel is just literally recording the phone, the screen recording like this, as you can see on here. And look at the number of views. It's just ridiculous, isn't it? Look, how to unblock someone on Instagram, 361,000 views recording a phone screen. This one here, look, again, recording a phone screen. This one over here, again, ridiculous. How much is this channel earning? If I come over here, I'll quickly show you this. Let's just go and type in How To Digital. So I'll show you this. Quickly load this up. So this channel here on the low end, this is a month. This is £543 in the UK, up to £8,700 a month. So on the high end, it's $10,000. On the low end, it's about $750. Now, this website here, Social Blade, would take this with a pinch of salt. So even if we put the earnings in the middle, this channel here is earning £4,500 a month, uploading videos like this, literally recording the screens, the mobile phone screens. Pretty simple stuff. Okay, that's the first example for you. Another one is this channel over here. It's called Natural Cures. This channel, I mean, look at this. They've got nearly 3.2 million subscribers. What are they doing on here? Well, they're uploading videos. I mean, look at this one here. 7 things you can do to lose weight. It's had over 11.5 million views. Come down here. Let me show you this. Go on to videos. Again, all of these videos here, they're all really short. Look, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 2 minutes. Let's hover over the video. Look. It's not hard to create this, it's genuinely simple, and I actually use this software, and I'll show you this software in a little while. But again, really simple stuff to do. One final example for you is this channel over here, which is called Genius Test. Now look how long the videos are again, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 1 minute. And all they're doing here is, they've got, as you can see here, can you guess the movies from the emojis? And all they're doing here is they're sharing a screenshot, and that's it. Come down here, look. Can you guess the sport? 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. These are not long at all, and they're not difficult to do. So we've got 3 different examples here of different categories and different niches whereby you can create this content without having to show your face on camera. In some examples of this, you don't even have to talk if you don't want to, especially like with these ones here. They're pretty simple. A lot of these just have a countdown timer on. So how do you do this? Well, depending on whichever one of these niches that you're going into, so like this one over here, for example, this How To Digital, all you're doing here is you're downloading an app to record your phone screen, and you're just showing people, walking through the process of doing this. So this is method number one, pretty simple and straightforward. As you've seen, it doesn't take long at all. The next one is this one over here, whereby we are this example is Natural Cures. So all they're doing here is they're going ahead and finding, information out about this. And you can do this just going on Google, typing in, benefits of almonds, looking at a couple of articles, compiling them yourself, and then putting them into a video presentation like this. And then we've also got these Genius tests here. So how would you do this for free, first of all, and how would you do this, speeding up the entire process? Well, if you wanted to create videos like this one here, the process for this would be, you'd go online and you'd go over to websites like this. You'd go free stock videos like this. You'd go ahead, you'd go into like Pexels, Pixabay, VideoVive, and many more, because there's thousands of these videos that you can download. So let's just type in almonds, for example. Click on there. And then look, you can go ahead and you can download all of these videos for free. So you'd go and download these. Once you've downloaded a bunch of these videos here, you would then go and put them into a free editing software. So just type in OBS Studio. You go ahead and you download this for free. See here, scroll down, and how it works is literally, you can see, let me see if I can find a better image for you. Come back up here. But basically all you're doing on here is with this OBS Studio is you're importing the images or the videos that you've downloaded into the free software. Once you've put them all together and combine them, you then download the completed video and then we upload that to YouTube. It's free, it's simple. It might take a bit longer than the process I'm going to share with you in a little bit, but it's doable. And realistically, looking at channels where they're uploading 2 minutes and 4-minute videos, how long will it take you? I'd say probably about half an hour to go ahead onto these websites like this, find videos related to the video you're going to upload onto YouTube, download them, come over to here, upload them, put them all together, and then literally download the completed video. Really simple stuff. And look, all of these here, you don't have to be on camera. Well, you're not on camera in any way, shape or form. This channel here is not on camera. This channel here, like in the quiz niche, they're not on camera. And this channel over here, they're definitely not on camera. So they're pretty simple stuff, and they all, they bring in some pretty, when I say pretty decent, let's go ahead and look at this natural cures, see how much this channel's earning over here. So let's just go ahead and have a look, natural cures, and we're going to click on search. So the first channel was earning roughly around 4,000 a month. Look at this one here, again, in the middle, so 2,500 a month from these really short 2-minute videos over here. And the last one, we'll take this one here. Let's see how much this channel is roughly earning from uploading these simple videos like this. We'll go over to here. I'm going to come up here and paste this into here. Click on go, and we'll see roughly how much this channel's earning. So this channel here, they're not earning, according to Social Blade, in the middle area, they're earning about £500 a month, and yearly about 8,500 a month from this channel over here. But as I've mentioned, these are all simple, they're all easy, and they're all, you can, if you've got 20 minutes a day that you can dedicate the time uploading these videos onto YouTube, you can earn some pretty decent money, as we've seen so far. So the free method is we're going onto free stock video footages like this, and we're downloading these. You can go onto hundreds of these free websites, get the videos, download them, then we put them into somewhere, into a piece of software like this one called OBS Project. Pretty simple stuff. Now I use paid software. It's incredibly cheap. I'll show you the software now. It's called Vidnami. And I actually, believe it or not, I am building out one of these natural cure channels myself. So if I come over here, let me just log in. But why I recommend this and use this is, you can see on here, this is a point and click video maker, no experience required. You can even try this out for free for 7 days, and you can use this for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and many more. It's pretty awesome. But if I come up here and go to login, it's a really straightforward process to creating these videos. So all I do here is click on create a new video. These are the steps. Once I get to the bottom of here, I've got my completed video. So I'll go on to content video. I'm going to click on here, use this template. So script, anything I paste into here, this software will build a video script for me. So if I come over here, let me just grab this for example. I'll go in here. In fact, let me see if I can grab that. And I can't. Let me go down here. Let me just grab this as an example for you. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to Vidnami. I'm going to paste that into here. Click on generate scenes. And then look at this. I'm halfway through this process of creating a video. So look, YouTube is a great way to make money online. So if I didn't like this video over here, I could just go over here and click on, and it will give me some more videos. So look, let's go down. Let's have a look at this. So if I wanted that video there, for example, I'd click on there and the video goes over here. Come down here, next video, anything you want and get paid for it. So let's click on getting paid. And I'm going to click on there. This works. It's genuinely simple, easy and fast. And then the other thing, what you're positioning or the colouring or anything, you can move this around. So if I click on there, click on change position, I can put it there. If I want to put it, basically wherever I want, I can move this around to. If I don't want any text on the slide, I just click on hide text. It's done. Simple, easy and quick. So once you're happy with that, you just scroll down to the bottom like so, click on add voice to track. Now here you can go with no voice, you can go with auto voice, you can record your own, or you can even upload one. But let me just go with no voice, click on preview, and then it takes a second and it builds the complete video for you. So you can have a look at this. And then also on here you can add music. Scroll this down. And basically you can preview your video. Once you're happy with this, you just go to the next step, which is downloading the video. So that there is a piece of software that I use. It's simple, it's easy, and it works incredibly quickly. And you can go ahead and try this out for 7 days for free. So I'll drop a link to that below for you. You can go and play around with it, test it, see if you like it. As you can see here, I use this in my online business for a number of different things, and it's absolutely awesome. It works incredibly quick. Another piece of software that I use, and you can go ahead and check this out, is this one over here. And I use this predominantly for blogging, but I also use this for YouTube. And again, you can try this out for 5 days for free. Now on here, this is inside of the software. I'm going to click on video. Look, it will give me topic ideas for my YouTube channel. It will give me a script. It will give me video titles. It will even give me the YouTube video description. So if I go on here and click on video topic ideas, I mean, look at this, you can see I use this all of the time. So if you wanted to, create a video about natural cures, let's just type in natural remedies, sorry, I'll just type in. I'm just going to copy that, and look, literally what's going to happen here is I want some video topic ideas. So, maybe if you're watching this and you think, I like this method, I'm going to go into this, but I don't know, what to create content around. You just come into this software here, click on generate AI content. It takes a second to load up, and then what happens is, let me just scroll that back up to the top, look. Here are some examples. So look, 10 exercises you can do. So I'm going to go with this one here, right? So that there is an idea for me. So now I'll go back into the content. I'll go into the dashboard. I'll go to video, and now I'm going to get my video title. So I'm going to paste that into there. And let's go with keep muscles in shape. So let's just go with that as an example. Put that into there. Click on generate AI content. So now I've gone from idea to now it's going to give me a video title. Click on here. Look at that, that's a pretty good video title. So I'm going to take that video title there. Sorry, let me get rid of that. So I'm going to take that video title. Now I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to go into video, and I'm going to come down here and get a script and a hook for that video title. So I'm going to paste that into here, and I'm going to click on, again, generate AI content, and it just takes a second. And then I'm going to wait for this to finish loading. And then look, here is my intro to my video. So I'm going to copy that. And this is the process what I do with my niche channels. So I'd go over here into Vidnami. I'd click on create a new video, like so. I'd get a template like this one here. Click on here. And then I'm going to paste that into here, okay? And get rid of that. Put that in there. And I'd literally just build out a full video using this over here, this video. So once I've got my script and outline of my script, and basically just build it out. Then I take all of that and I bring it back over to Vidnami. I paste it all into here, and then this software here just creates the videos for me. So look, you can grab both of these for free using the links down below. You can try out Vidnami for a week for free. You can also try out this conversion AI for free for 5 days. So play around with this if you like this, this method of making money on YouTube without having to be on camera yourself. And all you do here is, again, you just go through and make sure you're happy with the slides, and you can change this and play around with this. So it's pretty awesome stuff. The other way that you can make money with this method is, you would go into affiliate marketing and you start including affiliate links inside of your video descriptions. So a great one is this natural remedies channel here. You can go onto platforms like ClickBank and get affiliate links for, any products related to natural remedies. And then you include a link inside of your YouTube description box. You can also do paid advertisements. You can do sponsorship and lots more. Now look, this is just a few simple tips and ideas for you. If you want more ways and you're interested in growing a YouTube channel that can bring you in a passive income, I'll drop a link below for you. It will take you over to well, it'll take you over to this page here. This is my YouTube passive success course, and basically this is everything I know about, building a YouTube channel, but more importantly, how to, automate the entire channel, how to make money with this, and also we focus on evergreen content and, lots of different ways of doing this. There's how to start properly, the fast method, keyword research, creating your channel, making videos easy, the upload process, and lots more. I'll show you what it looks like inside. This is what it looks like inside of the course. See, lots of ideas in here, and I'll just walk you through the whole process. But look, that's today's video. That's some different ways that you can make money on YouTube without having to be on camera yourself. As you've seen here, you've got an example here, this channel here. We've also got this channel over here. We've also got another channel here. And the amount of money that these channels are earning purely from YouTube AdSense is pretty good. If you go ahead and incorporate affiliate marketing and set all of this up properly, you can start to generate pretty decent passive income. So look, links to everything are down below for you. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.